Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I will show you how to protect folder and files with password using Winrar. Winrar is no doubt the most powerful encryption and compression software. Many of us use it merely for compressing and extracting files. But there are a lot more ways to use Winrar. For instance, it can be used in file splitting and password protecting files and folders. You can create a password protected archive using Winrar, and this archive is safe to store and send over the internet. While encryption is done using Winrar, you can use any compression software like 7-zip or WinZip to decrypt and uncompress, provided you have the password. If you haven't installed yet the Winrar app, follow these steps to install in your system. Go to your browser, then type Winrar download. Then click the download button to download it. Now the installer is ready, open it to start installation. Click install to install it in your system, then click OK to proceed. Now Winrar app is ready. To protect your folder and files, follow these steps. Right-click on the folder you want to password protect and select Add to Archive. Here in the General tab, you can tweak in the different settings and options depending on your requirements. And to set password, click on Set Password. Then type your password twice. Then click OK, and OK again. Now here's the encrypted folder with password. Let's try to open. It is successful, the password is working. This covers how to protect folder and files with password. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.